What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video, or should I say untumbling video, I guess, because this is a tumbler. Either way, yeah, I don't know, it's not boxed. I don't know what I'm doing. So anyway, this is the Cirkul 24 ounce on the go straw sip tumbler, color pearl. It includes one sip cartridge, which I also came with one of these, the sip cartridge, so we'll get to that later on. So we'll do this right here. So it is berry blue punch, the go sip, and the sip flavor cartridge is included. And there you go. Oh man, it looks actually really good. So each sip cartridge can flavor the equivalent of 6 24-ounce floor flavor. So that's kind of cool. Never seen this before. Here are some information. 13 servings per container. Sorry, you can't see that. But it does contain sodium, only because, you know, sodium, that makes things last longer, or does it? Alright, so used within open 10 days. And I just got it yesterday. So let's give it a shot, mate. Alright, so I don't think it meant like open, like once you buy it, but I think once you open it, then that's what it is. So let me know, guys, in the comments if you have something similar, and let me know your experience with this, because this looks kind of cool. I've never seen it. Oh, there's two. I was about to say, like, why there are two of them, but I've never had this before, so I was just curious to see what it tastes like. I know that there is basically a slushy maker, which I think it's pretty cool. All right, so first things first, it's super organized. I love this. I'm probably gonna keep this for other things. And here we have, and I think it's ready to go. So there we have the thing. I'll leave this in the back. Wow, interesting. So it reminds me of a Yeti cup, but oh, it even has a grip. That is awesome. So I don't. Yeah, so it turns. So, no directions. I was gonna say no direction, unless oh, the directions are in there. Okay. So you're gonna wanna unscrew this. So it's like a filtered. I don't want it to touch the ground. All right. So here are the steps. I'm gonna put it right here in case someone needs to take a picture. You can screenshot this as you're watching the video. I'll leave it there for 5 seconds. Cirkul is a new way to enjoy water as your favorite beverage. For those familiar with the Cirkul experience, can be a little different, so you can please get you started. Obviously, we're new to this. We've added a nifty line to help you avoid spills and splash when attracting your leg. Go ahead and take a couple of sips to start. The first few sips may be dry if you can pull the water out. When the flow is going, enjoy refreshing hydration. Keep ice levels monitored for optimal water flow and best sipping experience. Now we're gonna go to the other side. With your straw sip tumbler, since you're not tipping with gravity helping you out, turn up the flavor dial to your desired taste. Don't worry, the cartridge will just last as long. Trust your taste buds. Check your straw for best. Make sure your straw is properly assembled with great connector. Reach out. Okay, cool. There's the reach out number. So I guess you don't have to put water, or do you? I was just trying to verify. Splash when attaching your lid. So, like, do we put water? I was gonna say, like, it's a crazy experience. So open, press. All right, well, let me wash this real quick, because I don't want to drink anything metallic. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. That was like super quick, was it? All right, so I guess the directions. Okay, so fill to the line. Help you avoid spills, splash when you're touching your lid. Well, let me open this. Flavor water. Okay, so right here we see is flavor, and then the water. So yeah, we're doing this together, guys, because we're a team. So I'm gonna attach that in case something starts spilling. All right, so I like the fact that you tighten it to secure it compared to the other Yeti cups. Okay, so I'm guessing this is right here. Okay, all right. Oh, okay, this is where you sip. So since it has berry blue punch, let me see if I can do something else. Oh, okay. So it's right here. This is the sip right here. So we don't add water here, I'm guessing. This is the... Oh, okay. The flavor is in here. I just smelled it right now. I don't want to touch it. But the flavor is in here. So we fill it up to the line with water, which we're going to do in a bit. And let me show you again. Sorry, you didn't see it on the screen. So you get this right here. So the water, I guess the water should be right here. Fill to the line. I'm guessing the line. They should have, I'm guessing they should have added like, oh, the line. Okay, the line's right there. This is the line. I was gonna say like, all right. So I guess we'll add water to it. Give me a moment, guys. Thank you, Niagara, for your water bottle. Thank you for sponsoring this video. So we're gonna go ahead and put the water here, and I'll try to do it this way. It's gonna be uneven. I wish they would have just named it the line. Yeah, I love Niagara water. It's the best. All right, I'm gonna use one more because it takes about 1/2 and 1/3, as you can see. We're almost there. 1/4 of a water bottle. So we're gonna add one more, a little bit more, and there's the line. So we'll leave it there. All right, huge shout out to Niagara once again. Thank you for the water. Appreciate you. Niagara's back there. Niagara water is the best. So it's in the line. I know you can't see it, but watch. I know. Be like water, my friend. So I'm like right there on the line. I honestly wish back then when we were doing science classes would be that way. All right, so we already got to the line. Next thing is we have to sip. All right, go ahead and take a couple sips to start. The first few sips may be dry if you get the water up and get full refresh hydration. Okay, so I was gonna watch the other one, but I don't want to like. If you watch it, like it'll be different. So, all right, it's kind of cool. Let me see. Flavor. No idea what's the flavor of it. Let me see. Okay, I'm trying to sip. Okay, you're not supposed to drink it like a drink. It's supposed to be a sip, right? Let me see if I can change this. No, you can't twist it. It's just the flavor of it. Water and then flavor. Wait, can you move this? I have no idea. Okay, so this is filling up, as you can see. So the water is basically in it right there. I'm guessing it's supposed to keep sipping. Go ahead and take a couple sips to start. The first few may be dry. You begin to fill the water up. Oh, okay. I'm going. Oh, okay. All right, it goes to go up. Oh, okay. So basically, you sip this right here. Sorry, you couldn't really see it, but yeah. Okay, so you don't have to like do this. You just have to like sip on that. It did say the first. Go ahead and take a couple sips. The first they dries, pull the water up and get the flow going. Enjoy refresh hydration. Keep ice water for optimal water flow and best sipping experience. So, I guess a good question is, how long will the berry blue punch last? So, and of course, with your straw tip Thomas, and you're not tipping with gravity helping you out, turn up the flavor dial to your desired taste. Don't worry, there. Okay, so the cartridge will last as long. Will just last as long. So I don't have to refill this for a couple of days. Either way, I will after clean with great connector and straw tip ready. Cirkul.com. So yeah, so this is pretty cool that you can like refill it and use it over and over. So I'll try it again. So okay. Oh, okay. Flavor is in the plus. I'm just trying to see if we can change this But I don't think we can. Or it looks like we could. Give me a moment, guys. Okay, so okay. I see it. Flavor plus. No, I don't think you can move it. It looks like you can move it, but it doesn't give you an option to. Unless we have to break it off. I don't know. Let me check. Or maybe because it's sealed, we can't really do thing right here. Okay, alright, cool. Yeah, so I was trying to mess with this, guys. See how it kind of moves? So it has like this is moving. Not to get you confused, but like this is moving, but I was trying to move this little area right here. This moves. It's slightly tilting, so overall, yeah. I was thinking it was gonna change the water, but no, it's like a cartridge. So we'll leave that there for a bit. And this is the other box, Life Sip Fruit Punch. So that's Berry Blue Punch, which I actually do like that. And then so it's red versus blue. That's so sick. So yeah, this is Cirkul Artificial 84, and which kind of gets rid of plastic. Fruit Punch is a classic, little citrus, little sweetness. It's a classic rock flavor. It just works. And yeah, this is it. So, like, remember what we read earlier? Each sip cartridge can let flavor equals 6 20-ounce fully flavored bottled water. So this will actually help you save in waters. And we do have, I don't want to open it, but I'm assuming this cartridge is just like this cartridge. Only because I don't want it to like catch the oxygen and the air, and then it will start to deflavor. So as you can see here, the berry itself, let me smell it real quick. Yeah, the berry in itself, that's where the flavor is, and the water goes in there. So unless I need to add more, but let me take a couple of more sips. The only thing I could probably see is this little filter. We may need to change it to blending. So if you're eating hot Cheetos, obviously it's going to be red. But try not to eat hot Cheetos, and none of this will turn red. But obviously you want to clean it after, you know, no bacteria is in. So this is a great, I've never seen this before. It's actually kind of cool. So yeah, overall, guys, Berry Blue Punch. You gotta, unless it's super light, unless I have to change it, but let me see. But overall, I actually like this. It's kind of cool. Even if you don't have a flavor on it, I think it's kind of cool. Like you could, okay. I see something. Something's happening. I think I broke it. Or unless this is how it's supposed to be. Let me see. No. I may have potentially broke it. No. Oh. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I probably kind of pulled this off a little. Let me see it go from there. Oh, okay, this is how you basically switch the sips. So having that. Oh, okay, yeah, see, because that's how it looks like. So it's preloaded on. So I'll take a couple more sips, but yeah, it looks like you just roll it around. Oh, that's where it is. Okay, cool. Hey guys, I discovered something. So here it is. That's where the water comes out through. I guess this is like an unboxing tutorial type of stuff, and that goes through there. And I guess these are the levels of where you want the berry blue flavor. So there's no color itself. So it's basically water. So I know a lot of people were like, "Where's the color on it? Where's the berry blue punch? There's no blue." I'm like, but it's basically water. Like it didn't advertise it as like how do you say it? That's why most of it's like 0%. The only thing is sodium, which is like the 10% of sodium, which is the 10 milligrams. Sorry, not 10%, 10 milligrams, which is it basically. So it's filtered water with natural flavors. So yeah, and then we'll just put this back. I hope I do it right. And flavor. I'm gonna probably use. So if you do this too, there you go. You just gotta find the right part of it to shut it down. Otherwise, it wouldn't go anywhere, or will attempt to fail. So yeah, you wouldn't want to mess with this, guys. I just opened it because I was just curious. But like in the other Life Sip straw, it comes with it itself. So yeah. So once again, guys, here's the picture in case you want to take a picture of it. We just basically add a water. I'm guessing a lot of people would like overfill it to like the very top. Unless this is the line, but I highly doubt it because it's there. But we did see the line. And then just keep sipping, drinking water, and then you'll taste the flavor, which is a light flavor. Don't expect like a hardcore fruit punch or, you know, like hardcore, you know, like, cause there's basically no sugar on it or calories, as you can see. Like, Prime-Amino 1.1, just a slight flavor. So yeah, overall, guys, let me know what y'all think. I just want to do a short tutorial video. Maybe like it'll help someone out. I was curious. This is my first time doing it, so I'm gonna leave it. And I was just curious about this, and I think this is a pretty cool idea. It's a great substitute to water if you don't like water. I usually drink water. So once again, thanks Niagara for your water over there. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And yeah, guys, let me know your experience with Cirkul. And let me know if you like it. For now, I'll see you all. Remember, keep drinking water. And I'll circle you later.